Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on mobile. It's important to understand that these beloved games were developed exclusively for the Nintendo Switch console. This means there isn't an official version available for smartphones or tablets. Therefore, the only way to experience them on a mobile device is through unofficial means, which come with their own set of considerations and are not endorsed by Nintendo. One common unofficial method is emulation. This involves using specialized software on your mobile device that attempts to mimic the Nintendo Switch console's hardware. To run these games effectively, your phone will typically need a powerful processor and ample RAM. You'll also need to legally acquire the game's ROM file. Keep in mind that even with a strong device, gameplay can sometimes be inconsistent or experience frame rate drops. Another potential, though less direct, approach involves cloud streaming. However, it's crucial to note that popular cloud gaming services generally do not offer Nintendo Switch games like Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. While you could theoretically stream the game from a powerful personal computer running an emulator to your mobile device, this adds significant complexity. It also demands an exceptionally fast and stable internet connection for a playable experience. It's vital to be aware of the risks associated with unofficial methods. Using emulators and obtaining ROMs can potentially expose your mobile device to security vulnerabilities, including malware. Furthermore, these practices often infringe upon intellectual property rights. For the most reliable, secure, and intended gameplay experience, we strongly recommend playing Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on its official platform, the Nintendo Switch console. This ensures you enjoy the game as its creators intended.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.